getting closer by the day. The bottom of the engine's done. Got some brand new hard race rubber engine mounts. So 150% more than OEM. So a little bit harder, but definitely not your solid mount. PBMS twin scroll baffled sump, genuine sump plug washer, version 10 STI twin scroll headers with genuine MLS exhaust gaskets. Brand new water pump, thermostat assembly, polished housing on the thermostat. And on this one I've added a factory oil cooler setup. So this can, some WRXs came out with them, some Bug Eyes, some Gen 4 Legacies, but I've got all the parts there and set that up in genuine oil filter. So she's all done, ready to drop in and start measuring up these turbo clearances.